So this time we are back with yet another number game. Over here is a magic square. This one is really very interesting, a lot logical and easy and fun. Over here there are 9 cells and what is given? We have to put numbers from 1 to 9 and these numbers need to be put in a way so that whether we add any column, any row or these two diagonals, the sum should come to 15. And for our ease, the position of number 9 is already given. So let's start. So if 9 is given, by adding these two with 9 or these two with 9, the sum should be 15. So if 9 is gone, how much is left to get 15? 6 is left. Now from numbers 1 to 8, how can they be added to get 6? It can be 1 plus 5, it can be 2 plus 4, or it can be 3 plus 3, but no, repetition is not allowed. So the only possibility is 1 plus 5 and 2 plus 4. So either 1 plus 5 will come here or here and 2 plus 4 will come here and or here. But I choose to write 5 over here and 1 over here. Why so? Because if I write 4 or 2 over here and 1 or 5 over here, at some point of time 1 and 4 or 1 or 2 will come together in this diagonal position, and then suppose if it is 1 plus 4, then what will happen? 1 plus 4 is 5 and the remaining cell needs to take 10 and a double digit number is not allowed. Let me show you what I mean. Suppose instead of writing 5 and 1 over here, I write 4 and 2 over here and randomly say 5 and 1 over here. Then what is happening? For this diagonal to add up to 15, what are we getting? 4 plus 1 is 5, remaining is 10. Writing 10 is not correct, not possible because 1 to 9 is allowed. Or suppose if we are writing 2 over here and 4 over here, then what is happening? It is becoming 2 plus 1, 3. Remaining is 12. That is also not possible. Or for that matter, suppose if we try writing 5 over here and 1 over here, 4 over here and 2 over here, the same thing happens, right? These combinations would not be correct. So the only possibility in this scenario is writing 5 over here, 1 over here. Then only the solution will come. But over here, there are two manners in which can be done. 4 can be written over here and 2 over here, or it can be the other way round. But the only fixed position is this. 5 and 1 will always come like this when the position of 9 is given over here. Now this grid has become very easy to solve. So 9, 5, 1, 15, 9, 4, 2, 15. 5 plus 4 is 9. So remaining is 6 over here. 5 plus 2 is 7. So remaining is 8 over here. 8 plus 4 is 12. Remaining is 3 over here. 6 plus 2 is 8. Remaining is 7 over here. And we can add this one also and check. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So here is our solution. All the rows, the columns and the two diagonals add up to 15. As I told, the only other possibility is writing 8, 3, 4 over here and 6, 7, 2 over here. It can be in that fashion also. But 5 and 1 will take this position only. It was easy and interesting, wasn't it?